this is Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, also known as Fakir Yogi Brendra Yogi, as a motivational director and as a true servant of the mankind, following the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, and also trying to induce wisdom, intelligence and every great skill so that they can be very useful and productive to the society. But in this video I want to emphasize on this particular point. My guru and my hero whom I worship, Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of America. Here is a quote: I like to see a man proud of the place in which he lives. I like to see a man live so that this place will be proud of him. Beloved friends, I am really fascinated by this wonderful quote, and really I want to talk to you on this point. Beloved friends, I was born in India, but I like the place of Bibinagar, Nani city in the state of Andhra Pradesh, but the state divided and it became Telangana state today. I feel so proud to be a person who lives in Bibinagar, Yadadri district of Telangana state. If there is a need, I can give blood, 12 tears and sweat for this particular state. Of course, I remain Indian. My every fabrics, my every heart beat is really reverberating for Mother India. But my nerves, my sinew, my every organs and tissues of my body is really dedicated, committed to the state of Telangana, a place in India. I love this place because the place has given me so much of pleasure. I have worked 40 years in this state as an employee of National Mineral Development Corporation, Mehedipatnam. After retirement, I being a very close associate of Manaravatna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, I have been playing tennis in his house, GVK House, Banjara Hill Road number 1 for last 30 years. I always feel myself, every corpuscles and every atoms and molecules of the oxygen which I have breathed in this state has given me nourishment. Every morsel of food and every drop of water that I have drunk has given me the strength. My whole body is indebted to the state of Telangana. I feel very proud of it, and simultaneously I feel proud of the people of Telangana, irrespective of their caste, creed, race, religion and region. They have given me a very special place in their heart. The place I am sitting earlier belongs to Honorable Pratap Reddy, a police inspector, and his worthy son, a great, prosperous and a mighty person with a lot of love, affection and kindness, compassion, Honorable Mr. Pingal Reddy. He has given this land of 6 acres in Bibinagar for developing a sports complex. I am right here sitting, so I really feel very much proud of the people of Telangana state, and I want to serve them. And as my best guide and guru said, I like to see a man proud of the place in which he lives, and I like to see a man live so that place will be proud of him. Thank you, viewers. Feel proud of the place you live and really win the heart of the people of that place by your honesty, integrity and serviceability. Serve them, love them, care for them, because you came from somewhere, India, you remain Indian, but now you belong to the state of Telangana, the beloved state, the wonderful state, the center of Mother India, the heart of Mother India. I salute you, Mother India. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana. Thank you, viewers. Thank you very much. And here is the place I am here. This is my tennis court, a place which has been given over to me by a great, patriotic and honest and sincere committed person, Mr. Pingaledi. I have made a shade here. I stay here. I study and I want to help the people who really need it. I have the background from IIT Kharagpur. I have created myself a background of being a success philosopher. I have developed myself as a great yoga teacher. I teach people to unite together, your body and mind combined together, taking full possession of your mind, controlling, directed toward the service of the mankind. The whole earth is our family. All the souls are similar birds with animal, plants and humans must learn to live together. And everyone has to be happy. Unitedly we can make this planet Earth a beautiful place where everyone can breathe easy. There will be a smile on every face. There will be joy, serenity and calmness in every heart, not only for mankind but for birds with animal, plants also. Because that was the philosophy of this great Abraham Lincoln. He has said once, I'm not only proclaiming equality of rights to the Negroes, but I'm also fighting for the rights for the animals. Dear friends, let's learn from Abraham Lincoln to make the place proud of you and worship that land, every particle of that land, and that I do. Thank you very much.